Bassy's yawning.
Hey friends, it's Bassy and welcome back to Bassy's Learning Land. Today we are going to learn about colors, shapes, and sizes. So I am so excited for you to be here, and don't forget to like and subscribe and even to visit bassyslearningland.com so you can learn together with some of the videos and free activities we have. Okay, so we're also going to learn about counting. Well, I have all these colorful pieces and I do have it's kind of like a puzzle. Okay, so let's figure this out. First, what we're going to do, I think we should, what do you think? Shall we organize them? Yeah, okay, cool. So let's see. I think there's different shapes. I see that there is a circle. All right, so how about we kind of put these there? So we have a circle here. Which other shapes do we have? What about these? Oh, look at this one. It has two short sides and two long sides. Yeah, okay. Do you know what this is called? Yeah, it's called a rectangle. And it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Okay, so we have a circle, a rectangle. What else do you see? What about this one? Or this one? Yeah, what about this one? Whoa, look at this one. This one has 1, 2, 3 sides and 3 vertices. Vertices are where two sides meet together. 1, 2, 3. It's called a triangle. Well done. Okay, so we have a circle, rectangle, triangles. Ooh, what about this one? Okay, kind of looks like this rectangle, but a little bit different, doesn't it? This one also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. And the sides seem to be the exact same length. Okay. This is called a square. Well done. Okay. Oh, what's that? There's one more shape I didn't say. What about this one? Oh, how cool is this one? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Has 5 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Another way of saying 5 is penta. So this one is a pentagon. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shapes. How cool is that? Okay, so I see there are 5 different shapes. I also see there's a lot of different ones. All right, I'm going to move these for aside, and let's pick out all the circles. What do you think? All right, so we have a red circle, an orange circle. Where are all the other circles? Good one! Up here, take a look. There's this one, and there's that one as well. So cool. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. All right, I'm just going to pile them on each other. We have 4 circles. All right, next one we found was the rectangle. Do you see where the rectangles are? Oh, that's right. Look, there's an orange one here. Okay. There's more over here. Look, these two as well. Yeah. Okay, let's stack them on top of each other. Where are those triangles? Oh, I found one. Okay, good call. Nice work. There's another one, and here's another one. We're really good at this. Fantastic. All right, now we're looking for squares. Yeah, you found them. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. And last but not least, that would lead us to 4 pentagons. Nice work. All right, so what we get to do, I see that there's some missing objects here, part of our puzzle, and I don't know quite what to do. I know that here there's one little peg or one stick. There seems to have 2 sticks here. 1, 2, 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. So let's see. Okay, so there's this one with 1. What do you think we have to do? Great work! Match the shape that only has 1 hole in the middle. Is it this one? Not quite. That has a lot of holes on it. What about this one? Oh, right. Yeah, there's one little hole. So we got to match the circles here with this peg that only has one. But I don't know which one should go first because let's take a look. There are 4 different circles. Now, is that true? There's this circle and there's that circle. Are they both circles or is this one different? You're right, they're both circles. Even though this one is bigger than this one, they're still considered circles. It doesn't matter how big the circle is, it matters how many faces and how many sides and how many vertices there are. So this one is the same thing, has the same shape. Okay, now let's think about it. Which one should we put first? Yeah, you're right. I think we have to organize them by size. So which one is the biggest circle? Ah, I think so too. So let's put this one over here. All right, which one is the next biggest circle? Is it the red, the orange, or the bigger orange? Right, it's this one. Take a look. That one's bigger than that one, so it's going to be the orange one. All right, which one is the next one that should go? Which one is bigger? Is this one or this one bigger than each other? Right, this red one is bigger than this small orange one. And that would mean that this one's the end. And if I were to put them to the side, take a look. We made a pattern. A pattern is something that repeats itself. We have red, orange, red, orange. Our core of the pattern is a thing that repeats itself. So the thing that repeats itself, it's a color pattern. And the colors that repeat are red and orange in that order. So this is our core. Now, once we add all of these together, our pattern repeats itself 2 times. Red, orange, red, orange. All right, perfect. So let's see if we did it correct by size. If we did it correctly, all the circles should fit and be able to be seen. We have the red, orange, I can still see the red at the bottom, red, we can still see it, and orange. Well done! Fantastic! All right, and now we know how to play the game. So the next thing we have to do is figure out which shape is the next one we have to put. And these are the other ones that we have left. So this shape has 2 holes in the middle. Is it the pentagon? Is it the triangle? Is it the square? Or is it the rectangle? You're really good at counting. It's the rectangle. Take a look. The rectangle has 2 different holes. It doesn't matter how big or what color it is, they all still only have 2 holes. Now, we're going to try to see what is the order in which we should put them in. Okay, these are our rectangles. Which one should we put first? In other words, we know that the biggest rectangle should go at the bottom. Which one of these is the biggest rectangle? Right, this orange rectangle is the first one we should put. Nice work. All right, so we have orange. And which one is the next biggest rectangle? Yeah, it kind of looks like it's this yellow one. Take a look. These are the heights, and I'm trying to put them at the same kind of level at the bottom so I could really see which one's the tallest. And it seems like the yellow one is the next one. So it seems like the core of this pattern is orange and yellow. Okay, so now we know that the rectangle, we have an orange and yellow. And now which one should be the next one? Which one of these is the next biggest rectangle? The orange. And guess what? It actually fits our pattern perfectly. Orange, yellow, orange, which leaves the little yellow rectangle last. Fantastic. All right, let's get to it. Our next shape has 1, 2, 3 holes. The triangle. Take a look. All right. Whoa, look at that. All right. All right. Which of these triangles is the biggest triangle? It's the dark green triangle. So let's put this one here at the bottom. Fantastic. All right, so we have dark green. So which one is our next triangle that should go on our puzzle? Light green. So it seems that our pattern in this case is dark green followed by light green. Now, which is the next? Now we can see which color would be the next color in our pattern. Remember, our core is dark green, light green, and now it repeats itself. Dark green, fantastic. Dark green followed by light green. Whoa, that is so cool. Okay, we're almost there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. A shape that has 4 holes in the middle. The blue. All right. So the blue is the square shape. Okay. Which is the biggest square? Right. It's this one right here. It's the dark blue square. Let's put it right there. Now the dark blue square begins our pattern. So in our core of our pattern, it's dark blue followed by light blue. That's the next biggest square. And look, that's the core. Dark blue and light blue. Right! Since the core is dark blue and light blue, the next color would be dark blue. Fantastic. And to finish it off, we have our light blue puzzle piece. Yes! Which leaves us the next one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in the middle is the pentagon. All right. Whoa, I really like this color. Okay, so which pentagon is the biggest pentagon? This one right here. So let's put that one down first. How should I put it? Well, when I rotate it, you'll notice that it doesn't really change the shape. Yeah, it keeps its shape. All right, which one should be our next pentagon? A dark purple. Look at that. That's the next big one. So now I see that our pattern is light purple followed by dark purple, and that's our core. So now it repeats itself with light purple. You're very good at this game. And we finish it off with dark purple. And whoa, look how colorful our pattern looks. That is beautiful. You could see the different patterns, and you could see how they get smaller. They're big, and they get to small little shapes at the top. So thank you so much for playing with me, and I hope you had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see you soon. And don't forget, like and subscribe, and go to basseslearnland.com for some free activities. Bye!
See